In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an erased paper or work in Google Docs. Whether it's an accidental deletion or unwanted changes, Google Docs provides a straightforward way to retrieve your lost content. And today we're going to explore exactly how to do that. Let's start by heading over to Google Docs, which you can find by simply opening your browser and navigating to docs.google.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the document in question. Simply click on the document and it will open up in a new tab. The core element of Google Docs is its menu bar located at the top of the window. This is where you'll find all sorts of options to manage your document. The next thing you need to do is navigate over to the File section in the menu bar. Click on File to pull up a drop-down menu. Here, look for the option titled Version History. You might not have noticed this before, but it's your ticket to seeing all the previously saved versions of your document. So go ahead and click on Version History. It will then further expand, offering you the option to see version history. Click on this to open a panel on the right side of your document. This version history panel is especially useful because it displays a timeline of all the changes made to your document, sorted by both date and time. Now, what you need to do is look through this list to find the timestamp that matches the version you want to recover. It may be helpful to note down the time or just hover over the version to see a brief glimpse of changes. Once you identify the correct time and date for the version you wish to restore, click on it to preview the document as it existed at that time. This is a great feature because it allows you to see exactly what the document looked like before you commit to any recovery action. After previewing and confirming that this is indeed the document version you wish to restore, look for the More Actions button, which typically appears as 3 vertical dots next to the document version. Click on this, and from the ensuing drop-down, select Restore this version. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm restoring this document to the selected version. Choose Restore, and Google Docs will revert your document to this point in time. There you have it. With these steps, you have successfully recovered an erased paper or work in Google Docs. This ability to navigate through version history not only helps recover lost content, but also provides a fantastic way to track changes over time. Feel free to use this feature regularly to keep your documents safe and sound. Thank you for watching, and happy writing!